What's up, Resto Nation? It is Thursday, September 29th. A lot of stuff going on in the garage. Just want to give you guys an update. Tomorrow is the last day to get triple entries to win that 1971 Hemi-powered Challenger. It's a badass car. You know you want to win it. Get entered to win. This is your last opportunity to get triple entries. Every dollar you spend on restomods.com, pick up a hat, pick up a shirt. It's going to get you 3 entries for each dollar you spend to win that badass 71 Challenger and $20,000 in cash. So don't forget to do that. Also, if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Costs you nothing and gets you entered to win this 1975 Dodge Ram Charger. Doesn't look like much, but this is actually what I wanted to update you guys on today. As you can see, we've been tearing this thing apart. Last garage update, we kind of showed the body off the frame. We've got some more updates. As you can see, Junior did some work in here, just cleaning up the firewall. Maybe we can like put in a shot of how it looked before, because it is like unrecognizable how nice it looks now. And then obviously we're gonna smooth that out and fix this big hole right here. And we got new fenders. So the fenders we took off were just, were pretty bent. Esparza basically just said he wants new ones, right?
Yeah, the newer the better.
Did we, how come we got new fenders?
So basically, the old ones just had a lot of bodywork they needed. They had previously been like bondoed up down in the bottom and stuff. So instead of like just scabbing them together, and all the inner structure was all rusted out on them. So essentially, the reproductions are pretty decent quality, good enough to start bodyworking them. And they were available, so we said, let's get them. That way we have a nice new fender on there.
How much were those things?
I think they were like 150 bucks or something. So.
Okay, so well worth it.
Yeah, I mean, the time and money it would take to get these dialed in, and they had multiple spots that needed work, so we figured let's get some fresh ones on there. And we got a few other pieces of sheet metal too, some rocker stuff, some floor pans. So we got some sheet metal work to do on this.
All right, yeah, definitely lots of sheet metal work. And one of the cool things when you have the body off the frame, you guys saw the frame last week. We did a lot of work grinding all that residue and all that other stuff. When I say we, I mean them, just for the record. I want to give credit where credit is due on that one. But check out how this frame came out. It is, I mean, it looks brand new. Brand new. So yeah, we've taken this thing all the way down to the frame, and every little detail on this 75 Ram Charger is going to be perfect, up to the restomods.com standards, and ready to give away to one of you guys. So make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel and entered to win that 75 Ram Charger. The only other thing in here right now is the 69 Chevelle, which is always fun to look at. So let's look at it. There it is, that Blueprint Engines 427 LS style block with that Magnuson blower on it. These guys won't let me say it, but I'm just gonna say it. I think it's gonna do 1,000 horsepower. I'm hoping. And if it doesn't, we're gonna make it do 1,000 horsepower. But yeah, this thing, I know we've been saying it for a long time. This thing's really ready. I think we're going to FiTech, what, Tuesday?
Tuesday, yeah. Get it all tuned up. It's just running a little rich right now. But we're ready to start breaking in stuff. The clutch, the rear end. A lot of stuff just needs to be broken in. The brakes need to be bed in. So getting ready next week maybe to put some miles on that thing.
I can't wait. Everybody else can't wait either, right?
I can't wait, man. It's amazing. It's been a long time coming.
Yeah, definitely been a long time coming. I asked Esparza how long it had been taking, and he was like, oh, dude, it's only 14 months. And I was like, dude, that's an eternity in internet time. But in car building time, I guess that's actually pretty quick. What else is going on? Let's check out the interior. Obviously, we got that Spark steering wheel in here. All the new gauges are in. Basically ready to go in here. We've got a couple little tiny things. I think we're just doing a trickle charge on the battery. So we're gonna take the 69 up to FiTech on Tuesday for a tune. Hopefully we get it back that same day. And then we gotta break in the clutch, break in a bunch of different parts on there, like super gently. And then hopefully once we get it all broken in, we will get it up to the track and get a couple passes on it. Make sure you're entered to win RM19, that 71 Hemi-powered Challenger at restomods.com. Go claim those triple entries tomorrow at midnight. It's the last time ever to get triple entries to win that car and 20 grand. You can always enter to win the 75 Ram Charger simply by subscribing to our YouTube channel. We're Resto Mods on YouTube. You're probably watching this right there, so hit that subscribe button and you will be entered to win this 1975 Ram Charger. As soon as we hit 100,000 subs, we are gonna give this truck away to one of our subscribers. So good luck and have a great weekend.